Lucchini RS is a global steel manufacturing company known for its high-quality railway components. They utilizes cutting-edge design techniques and software to ensure optimal performance, safety, and durability of their products. Their products are designed with safety as a top priority, incorporating features that enhance passenger and operator safety. Lucchini employs advanced techniques to produce high-quality railway components like wheels, axles, and wheel sets. High-quality steel ingots are produced from molten steel, often using electric arc furnaces or ladle furnace refining. The ingots are inspected, trimmed, and possibly reheated to ensure uniform temperature and composition. The ingots are heated to a high temperature and then shaped into the desired dimensions using forging presses. This process imparts strength and durability to the components. For wheels, a rolling mill is used to shape the forged blanks into the final circular profile. The components are heated to a specific temperature and then slowly cooled to relieve internal stresses and improve their mechanical properties. For wheels and axles, a heat treatment process is used to harden the surface while maintaining a tough core. This enhances wear resistance and fatigue strength. Precision machining techniques, such as turning, milling, and drilling, are used to create the final dimensions and tolerances of the components. Surface treatments like grinding, polishing, and coating may be applied to improve the appearance, corrosion resistance, and overall performance of the products. Various techniques, such as ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle inspection, and penetrant testing, are used to detect internal flaws or defects in the components. The wheels and axles are fitted together with precise alignment and tolerances. The assembled wheel sets may be mounted on a test rig for further inspection and testing. The finished products are carefully packaged to protect them during transportation. The components are shipped to customers worldwide, often following strict transportation regulations and guidelines. Lucchini RS's manufacturing process is characterized by a strong focus on quality, efficiency, and adherence to industry standards. Heat treatment is a critical process in the manufacturing of railway wheel sets, as it significantly enhances their mechanical properties. The specific heat treatment processes used at ArcelorMittal BD East workshops may vary depending on the type of steel used and the desired properties. This process involves heating the wheel set components to a specific temperature and then rapidly cooling them in a quenching medium, such as oil or water. This rapid cooling helps to refine the grain structure of the steel, increasing its hardness and strength. After quenching, the components are often tempered to relieve internal stresses and improve their toughness and ductility. Tempering involves heating the components to a lower temperature and then allowing them to cool slowly. The Danobat DPL Portal Lathe is a specialized machine tool designed for the maintenance and repair of railway wheel sets. The machine features a robust portal structure that provides a stable and rigid platform for machining operations. This design ensures high accuracy and precision during the machining process. The lathe is equipped with a high-speed spindle that enables efficient and productive machining of wheel profiles. The machine is controlled by a user-friendly CNC system that allows for precise programming and execution of machining operations. Many functions of the machine are automated, including wheel loading, unloading, and positioning. This reduces manual intervention and increases productivity. The lathe can perform a variety of turning operations on railway wheels, including profiling, undercutting, brake disc machining, axle turning, journal turning, and wheel seat turning. The automated functions and high-speed spindle enable efficient and productive machining operations. The robust portal design and CNC control ensure high accuracy and precision in machining. Automation reduces the need for manual labor, improving safety and reducing the risk of errors. The machine can perform a wide range of machining operations on railway wheel sets. The robust design and high-quality components contribute to reduced maintenance costs over the machine's lifetime. Overall, the Danobat DPL Portal Lathe is a highly efficient and reliable machine tool for the maintenance and repair of railway wheel sets. Its advanced features and capabilities make it a valuable asset for railway maintenance workshops around the world. Focal, renowned for its high-fidelity audio products, employs a meticulous and innovative approach to speaker manufacturing. Focal's engineers meticulously design drivers, woofers, tweeters, midranges using advanced technologies like finite element analysis, (FEA), to optimize sound performance. They carefully select materials like flax, aluminum, and beryllium for their unique acoustic properties. Drivers are crafted using precision machinery and hand assembly techniques, ensuring consistency and quality. Focal uses high-quality materials like MDF, HDF, and wood for their speaker enclosures. CNC machines and skilled craftsmen shape the enclosures to exacting specifications, minimizing vibrations and resonances. Internal bracing and damping materials are strategically placed to control vibrations and improve sound clarity. Focal designs and manufactures its own crossover networks, optimizing the frequency response and ensuring seamless integration between drivers. High-quality components like capacitors and resistors are carefully chosen for their sonic performance. Crossovers are rigorously tested and refined to achieve the desired sound signature. Skilled technicians assemble the speakers, paying close attention to detail and ensuring precise alignment of components. Each speaker undergoes rigorous acoustic testing to ensure it meets Focal's exacting standards for sound quality and performance. A final inspection and quality control check are performed before the speaker is packaged and shipped. A unique driver W-sandwich cone technology used in high-end models, combining layers of glass fiber and foam for exceptional rigidity and damping. Lightweight and incredibly rigid, beryllium tweeters offer exceptional clarity and detail in high frequencies. Flax fibers provide a natural damping effect, reducing unwanted resonances and improving sound quality.